Hey, Steve Noble. This is Noble Moto 101 Motorcycle Maintenance. What we're going to cover in this class is all the basics you will need to know to keep your motorcycle maintained and on the road yourself. You can do this. We're going to cover things like checking fluids, changing spark plugs, adjusting your clutch cable, checking your brake pads, checking your tires, and all a bunch of other little details you need to know too. Adjusting hand controls, adjusting your handlebar locations, adjusting mirrors, all those little things like that that are great to know to help keep your motorcycle rolling down the road and out of the shop. Now this class will cover metric bikes like your Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and of course Triumph and Ducati. And it will cover American V-twins like Harley-Davidson and modern Indians. Older Triumphs, older British BSAs, stuff like that, we'll touch on that a little bit, but it won't get as in-depth. This class is really geared towards like about 1970 and up motorcycles. Now this is not the class that's going to go into every detail of how the engine works, and I'm not going to overload you with technical jargon and technical information. My goal here is to explain all the stuff you need to know in plain English with good, well-lit videos without shaky cameras. That way you can see what's going on and apply that in your garage or your workspace. So, I hope you join me. I hope you decide to sign up for 101 Motorcycle Maintenance. I really am proud of this class, and I hope you will enjoy it.